In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Pipedrive. It's a straightforward process, but there are a few steps you'll need to follow closely to make the most of it. First, from your Pipedrive homepage, you'll want to navigate to the left corner of your screen and look for the Leads tab. It's quite easy to spot. Clicking on this takes you to the section where you can manage all your leads. This Leads section is your main hub for collecting information, so it's essential to get familiar with it. Next, within the Leads section, there's an option to click on Plus Web Form. Think of this as the gateway to creating any form you might need. Once you select this, you'll be presented with various template options. For today's example, let's choose the Contact Us template. It's one of the more commonly used forms and is perfect for gathering essential information from your clients. After choosing your template, it's time to create the form. You'll see a prompt to click on Create Form. This is where the magic begins, as you now have a canvas to customize your form extensively. Editing the form is incredibly intuitive. You might want to start by adjusting the introduction. This is what your users will see first, so make sure it's engaging and clear. As you move through the form, you'll also be able to edit fields such as name, email, and any other pieces of information relevant to your business needs. Once you're happy with your edits, the final step is to click on Save. It might seem like a simple final action, but saving your work ensures that all your changes are locked in and your form is ready to be deployed. Remember, while it's exciting to dive into this process, always double-check your work before hitting Save. A well-reviewed form will save you unnecessary edits later on and ensure a smooth experience for those who interact with it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently create a customized form that meets your specific needs within Pipedrive. Whether you're gathering leads, asking for feedback, or anything in between, this versatile tool helps ensure you can capture the essential data you need in a user-friendly way. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.